Hello guys, welcome back to yet another lesson, and what I'm about to share with you is one of the easiest strategies that you can get to put in place, and of course you can really get profitable with just this single strategy. So this strategy goes by the name, it's called breakout and retest. And if you have been following or you have been looking through my previous video, you have seen these are strategies that I've been putting in place, and it's a very easy strategy for you to grab, and of course by the end of the day you get to apply it into the markets to make those profits. So what I'll be doing, I'll be showing you a couple of scenarios that you can get to apply these strategy. And what you need to know or understand is the fact that you just need one strategy and you get to apply it over and over. You don't need to have like 50 strategies, you just need to have one. So allow me guys to just go ahead and get to share my screen so that you can also get to see exactly how this strategy works, and also other concepts that you can get to put in place for you to make some real money out of it. Well, with this strategy, you just need to be patient. If you have been following along, you do understand I normally trade just one currency pair, which is GBP JPY. That's my favorite one. And of course, you just need to choose either to be a swing trader or a day trader. Like for my case, I'm a day trader because I'm a bit, I like whenever the market is a bit fast, a little bit. And of course, guys, right now I'm on my trading view, and what I have here, this is that is GBP JPY. This is a trade I took on Friday when the market was about to wrap up for that week, and this is a move that I caught in a very simple strategy. So with breakout and retest, all you just need to do is to make sure, first of all, as I already told you, as a day trader, I normally find my entries at 15 minutes time frame. So as you can see, this is the reason why you are saying I'm having my market at 15 minutes time frame. And I normally incorporate the concept of trend lines, as well as I also get to draw the zones whereby I wait for the market to break that zone, and of course I get to look for other entry factors for me to have an opportunity to just go ahead and of course dive into the market. So with this strategy last week, that is on Friday afternoon, if you get to look at this, it was around afternoon. So this is what I saw in the market. The market was really struggling to break, to go downwards. First of all, we had this long wick. So this long wick was a sign of strong rejections from the buyers. The buyers, they are really coming in very strong, and of course the other thing is that you can see the sellers, they are really losing their power. So for that case, of course, with the overall trend of which in 4 hours time frame, the trend was an uptrend. You can see also at 15 minutes time frame, the market was really really struggling to go downwards, and of course with the overall trend, you are looking more of buying opportunities. So for that case, I just drew my trend line from this high point right here. You can see a couple of times the market had really tried to cross the trend line, but it failed. And of course, this one move right here, this is where the market got to break, and of course you can see this strong bullish candle here with a strong healthy body. So for that case, you can see also we have the psychological levels. So you have if you have been following my videos, I've talked of psychological levels before. We also have this zone. This was a zone whereby I just drew that zone like that to basically get to show the neckline. So I had to wait for the market to break this trend line. Going on the upper side, you can see we had this long wick because when it touched the psychological level, it got to receive some pressure going downwards. So another important thing you can see with this candlestick right here, it didn't engulf here, so that was not an enough confirmation. So with this, we have to wait for a candlestick that can close above this the last week, and of course that will be an indication that the market is going to move upward. So for that case, I had to wait for this long candle. You can see it got to break the trend line, retested, and of course we had this long engulfing candle as a confirmation, and you can see it also closed just above the zone. So for this case, I could have if you are more of an aggressive guy, I could have entered the market from there, and of course get to place my stop loss just below. You just get to place your stop loss just below the previous lower low. So like for that case, and of course I'll just target the next psychological level, of which this one will give us a very nice 1 point. If I get to push this one into around here, I can comfortably get an easy almost 2.1. Could get something like 2 is to something. You can see I could have comfortably received that is 2:1 risk to reward ratio. And for that case, this is what I'm saying. If you're more aggressive, you can enter from here, because you have seen how the market is reacting. Remember, for anyone to be profitable, you have to make sure you normally react to the markets, not predict. You can't predict the market, so it's important for you to take your time and you get to see how things they are playing out. You can see if you're a bit more conservative, for that case, you could opt to go with this option of going long. For that case, you could place after this engulfing candle, you could just place your entry right there. Of course, the target is that next psychological level, but what you need to play with is the stop loss. You could place your stop loss just next there, and you could get a quick 1.2, of course, risk to reward ratio. And of course, it's a very easy and of course a very smooth process for you to go through. So what I'm saying is that with this one, you can just go ahead, you get to incorporate this strategy, and trust you me, it's a magical strategy. So we have these you can see the market got to touch this 0.1. We also have 0.2, 0.3, and of course the fourth time is when it got to break a retest and of course get to move upward. So basically that's how we can get to put all this in place, and of course by the end of the day you have an easy time to go through all these strategies. So for that case, guys, I'll be looking forward, guys, for you to reach out to me with a comment, and of course let me know whether you have really tried to apply this concept into your charts and how it turned out. So for this case, let's wait to get to see. I'll be dropping a video to share with you some of the scenarios that have happened this week. As I'm recording this video, it's on Monday, and I'm waiting for the market to set up the high or the lower lows of the week. And for that case, I can just come here. You can see the market is still ranging, and remember, after ranging, the market is expected to really unfold either downwards or that is upward, or either downwards, depending with the volatility. So for that case, I'll just head to the 4 hours and I get to show you what I'm waiting for right now. So right now there's any clear direction on where the market is moving. So all I just need to do is to wait. You can see this is on Monday. I'm waiting for the market either to break with a healthy candlestick on the upper direction, or to break downwards with a healthy candlestick. And of course, for that case, if it gets to cross below, for that week we'll be looking for more of sales. If it gets to close above, of which I'm looking forward to close above, because we have some imbalance here. You can see these are very huge imbalance. And remember, we don't predict the market, we just react to what the market is going to give us. So for that case, guys, we just need to wait. And remember, today's Monday is not the best day for you to trade, and for that case, you just observe the market from the distance, and that way, that's how you get to make money, as well as you also get to make sure your emotion, your psychology is on point. So that's it for the case of today's videos, and with breakout and retest. Let me know some of the concepts that you are using when it comes to trading, any question that you could be having when it comes to trading, as well as whether you are really profitable and are you looking forward to be funded with these pro firms. That's it for today, and of course I'll be looking forward to seeing you in our next one. Peace.